Hi and welcome again in Naja Tech channel. Don't miss to subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon. So in this video I will show you how to format your Android phone. By dialing a number you will format your Android phone. So let's start how to format your Android phone. This is my old phone. I will start this my old phone. I will start on. Okay, I will show you how to put a number on the dialing pad and format your you can format only any Android phone. Okay, any Android phone to factory default. And do not format your phone if you forget your Gmail account. Let's start. We go to dialing pad and dial this number. We want to dial this number. Okay, 7. Okay, I will start again. Sorry, star 2 7 6 7 star, and after 3 8 5 5, and you will show you this number on my blogger. You can enter to my blogger to copy this number or to see this number. This in my blogger. Okay, he will reset to factory default. Okay, so bless you. Thanks for support me. You can watch this video till end.